Presenting the Pigeon Amaze Plus 1.5 litre electric kettle in black color. The kettle is made of hygienic stainless steel with mirror polish on the exterior. It comes with a concealed heating element that avoids corrosion and helps keep the kettle clean. With 1500 watts power, the kettle heats up water faster. The kettle can boil up to 1.5 litres of water in 5 to 7 minutes, making it quicker and safer. The kettle is also safe and easy to operate with auto shut-off feature that cuts off the power supply once the water is boiled, thereby also increasing its lifespan. It also comes with dry boil protection feature. The kettle has a sturdy, cool touch handle for a comfortable grip that makes it easy to lift and carry. The single push flip lid of the kettle locks seamlessly and ensures a quick seal to prevent steam from escaping, making water boil faster, saving time and energy. The kettle has a power indicator that lights up when the kettle is turned on. The 360-degree rotating base with a 1 meter cord and cord winder allows flexibility in usage and makes it easy to store. The kettle is detachable from its power base for convenient usage and portability. It can also be returned to its power source from any direction, making it easy to use both for right and left-handed users. Inside the box, you will find one Pigeon Amaze electric kettle of 1.5 litre. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.